Hi. Um, Today we are going to look at the new way of learning for kids. Okay. So this is a new site which I gone through that very recently. This site is named called Machine Learning for Kids. Okay. So let me explain what is the site is going to help and how we can access the site and how benefited to our kids. Okay. So let me log in this site. Before login that, just to go through that one by one, the tab which you have in the site itself. Okay. So this will help you to teach a computer to as a play game. Okay. So the kids can play around the computer and understand how the program can be created. Okay. So they can think how logically and how uh, the machine learning is implemented here. So this site itself is called a machine learning for kids. Okay, so the kids to understand how the machine learning will work, how they can create the machine learning program, and how they can use in their day-to-day life. Okay, so let's go one by one. So just click the about. So they are trying to explain your machine learning for kids. Okay, so in 6 seconds and 20 seconds, 20 minutes, and how the machine learning will work. Okay, so those kind of information they have provided here, and how it will work and why we need to learn this machine learning, and who help you to teach this machine learning program. Okay, so they are telling that IBM Watson will be help you for to learn about the machine learning and many more things. Okay, so the pre-trained models are already available, so you can use those models and the kids can learn machine learning as a fun. Okay, so that is the motto of this site, and this site is a what is it, published from UK. Okay, let's go for worksheets. The worksheets will have the machine learning project, so you can as a teacher you can select that which project you want to help for your kids. Okay, so you can select a project over here. So the projects are like for train a computer to recognize a text and recognize the images and recognize the numbers and recognize the sounds. So on faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are text, images, numbers, sounds, and faces. So when the any programming language you can do, so that you have to type some text, or you can give the input as a numeric value and text. But now other than text and numbers, so now we are started giving us input like images and sounds and faces. For example, the images, like for if you click any photos and if you want to search the same photo in the system, so it will search based upon the image which they capture. As the same thing for even sounds also. Okay, so like that we can use as the input for text, images, numbers, sound, and faces. So those kind of projects we can select over here. So now I am going to select for sound. Okay, so these are all sound based projects, and you want to be a beginner project, intermediate, or advanced. You can select that which one you want. Okay, so this is a sound project which will have for very intermediate. Okay, so the project itself we have Python projects and app inventor project and Scratch. So now we have the this is for Python I don't have, and Scratch project is from Scratch we can make this. So what you have now here, you can download this worksheet and you can share it to your student to go ahead. Okay, and let's see about that pre-trained. Okay, so this is the site which page which will help you to understand how you are going to teach the ML based programming. Okay, so machine learning will how to use this machine learning IDE. So this IDE is a browser based IDE, how we can use it. Okay, and speech text, how we are going to recognize the how we are going to record those speech, and how we are going to reuse that. Okay, so same thing for face detection. So if it's a face detection, you are going to give us the XY coordinate and which coordinate you are going to recognize based on the nose, mouth, and left eye, right eye. So those things you can select over here. So these are all predefined patterns are available and inbuilt with this program, and based on that you can create your own program. Okay, so hand detection and Bose detection, so those are all the many input methods are available. Okay, so based on that your program is going to work. Even TensorFlow, it is available. It is one of the open source mechanism that can be reused in your any project. Okay, and question answering, so now you can choose the question answering for yes or no, or something like for you can give input, so those kind of activity also can be recorded. Based on that your program can work. Like for you are trying to create your own mini robo with help of machine learning. Okay, and books, so these are all machine learning for kids books are available, so you can choose based upon your interest, and you can find more books in Google Books also. So here you can read through these books and try to understand. Okay, and apart from this news, so here you will get the news update about the machine learning. And help, you can go for here like for how to manage account and how to create your student, all those things you can work it over here. Okay, so if you want to add student, or you can add a student. Okay, so just now I have a user ID password, just I will log into my user ID password. So I'm clicking login page and it's asking for first time or is already registered, try without registering. So I already registered this account, so I'm going to use this login page. Okay, so it's asked for user ID password. I have my user ID password for login to ML for kids. Already I have that, so I'm clicking the login. So logging is getting cleared. So now I'm in the main page. So now I can see this. There is another tab which is added for teacher and projects. This is the additional tab. Two tabs are added over here. So if I'm teacher, what I can do now? So I can add the student over here. Okay, so how I can manage the student. So the student management, I can add a new student. So if anyone student I won't add it, I can add it here. And even though we have a multiple student also, we can add it over here. Okay, and we go for projects. So what are the projects are there? So far I not created any project. If you want to create a project, you can add a project and you can create it. Okay, so we'll learn these things later part. Okay, so now we'll try to understand how the machine learning for kids site will work. Okay, thanks for watching.